In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable comments on Pinterest. If you want more control over the interaction on one of your pins, Pinterest gives you the option to turn comments off directly from that specific post. This can be useful if you want to reduce unwanted replies, keep the focus on the content itself, or simply manage engagement in a way that feels right for you. To get started, open Pinterest and go to your profile. This is where all of your saved and published content is organized, so it's the easiest place to locate the pin you want to update. Once you're on your profile, find the specific pin where you want to disable comments and open it. After selecting the pin, look for the option to edit it. Tap or click Edit Pin to open the settings and details for that post. This section allows you to manage certain aspects of the pin, including visibility and interaction settings. From the Edit Pin screen, look for the More Options menu. This is usually represented by an icon with 3 dots or a similar symbol. Go ahead and click that menu to reveal additional settings related to the pin. In the expanded options, you should see a setting labeled Allow People to Comment. If comments are currently enabled, this option will be turned on. To disable comments, simply toggle that setting off. Once it's switched off, other users will no longer be able to leave comments on that pin. This setting applies to the individual pin you're editing. So if you want to turn off comments on multiple pins, you'll need to repeat the same process for each one. It's a simple adjustment, but it can make a big difference if you're trying to keep certain posts more private or limit discussion on specific content. As a quick tip, after making the change, take a moment to double check that the toggle remains off before exiting the screen. That way you can be confident the setting has been applied properly, and that's all it takes to disable comments on Pinterest. Just go to your profile, open your pin, select Edit Pin, access the More Options menu, and turn off Allow People to Comment. Once you've done that, your pin will no longer accept comments.